Hey, Tom here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to generate $500 to $800 in under 10 minutes. So look, I've got a timer here. I've got it set for 10 minutes. As soon as I click start, I'm gonna reveal our surefire way to generate $500 to $800 as quickly as possible, completely online. So, all right, let's get this video going. I don't want to waste any of your time. So I'm going to click start. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the link that you see on your screen, and you are going to download a free 30-day trial to this special software. So this is called HighLevel. This is going to give us what we are going to sell for $500 to $800, and you don't have to spend a dime. Again, it's a 30-day trial. It's completely free. You'll get a bunch of other bonuses and things I'm not going to enter right now because I'm on the clock, but go sign up for the 30-day trial. You'll have 30 days to put what I'm about to show you in practice, take action. If it doesn't work, just cancel. If it does, then this thing is pretty much just paid for itself. So again, go to the link on your screen, sign up for your free 30-day trial. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your software and log in. You're gonna go down on the left-hand side here to sites, and then in the top menu, we're gonna click websites. Now, there's a blue button over here called new website. I'm gonna click that. We are gonna select from template, and we're gonna click continue. In this little search bar, you're gonna type in home services, because I have found that home service businesses are the easiest to close with what I'm about to show you. And what I'm about to share with you is what we call our already done method. Probably the easiest way to generate $500 to $800 online you're gonna find, because we're gonna sell something that's already done. Look at all of these websites that are already built out inside of HighLevel. Look at all of these. Cleaning companies, landscapings, roofing. Look, and you can load more. I mean, there are just a lot of already built out websites right here inside of HighLevel. And this is just the home service site. So you can use the method I'm about to show you with any home services, or actually any business that HighLevel has a website for, which they have thousands of them. Okay, so now we're just gonna pick a random home service and we're gonna use it. So I'm gonna use landscaping. So now I'm gonna go to google.com. I'm just gonna type in landscaping Las Vegas, because that's where I'm located. You would put in the area where you live or the area you want to target. And now when it pulls up, I'm gonna go down to where these businesses are listed right here. And there's a thing that says more businesses. I'm just gonna click that. Now all I'm gonna do is go through this list and see if I can find a landscaping business that doesn't have a website. So let's see, as I scroll down here to the first ones, looking. Oh, here's one. This A&L Desert Landscapes Tree Company does not have a website. So I would simply copy their information and put it in a Google Doc. Now I keep going. I go down, I look. I don't see any more here, so we're just gonna click on the next page. And we will find, here's another one, A&Z Landscaping. Again, I would just copy their information, put it in my Google Doc. I'd go down, let's see, here's another one, GHD Landscape. I would just keep copying and pasting these, putting them in a Google Doc until I had maybe 6 to 10 landscapings. You can see there's quite a few that don't have websites. Here's another one, and I just found those in just a few seconds of looking. Here's another one. And it's pretty much like this for any type of home service niche that you pick. So don't worry, you don't have to do landscaping. You can pick any one you want. You'll find a lot of this. Look at all these that don't have websites. So once I have my Google Doc with these ones that don't have websites saved into it, then I'm gonna go back to my software and I'm just gonna find a landscaping site that I like. So I actually like this one right here that says lawn care. So I'm just gonna click it and it will show me a preview of the site. That's a pretty good looking website. I'm just gonna click continue. And now it's gonna add this already built website directly into my software. So now I have a site that is pretty much already done, right? I'll show you how to do the edits here in just a minute, but I'm gonna go back. You can see this is a 6-page website. Like, this has everything a landscaping company could need. I can just click on this preview link to take a look at the pages. So here's the home pages. I mean, this is a great looking site for someone that doesn't have a website. So how would I generate $500 to $800 with this? Well, I would simply go to my Google Doc and start going down the list. I'd reach out to every landscaping company that doesn't have a website, and I would say this. Listen, I'm here in Las Vegas. I've just learned how to build websites, and part of the class that I took, I had to build a landscaping website. But I'm not a landscaper, so now I have this landscaping website that's already done, and I just need to get rid of it. So I thought I could make a win-win situation for me and for a local business. I will send you the link to the website. You can check it out, look at it. If you like it, I'm willing to part with it for just a few $100s. A site like this normally would cost anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000, but because I'm just starting out, I just built this, I just want to get rid of it, it's only a few $100s, and I'll even do some minor customizations to it for you, like add your logo, put information about your business. And I just go down the list until somebody says, yeah, let's do it. Then you get your check for $500, and then you go back to your software. And to edit these sites, it's super easy. You just click on the edit button of the page you want to edit, and it will open up their drag and drop editor. So if I want to change any of this stuff, like this text, I can just click on it and highlight it, and I have a lot of options. I can just type whatever I want here. So if the business owner had information they wanted me to put here, I could put that here. Or check this out, I can use AI to generate it. So I'm just gonna say generate with AI, and I'm gonna put a tagline for a Vegas landscaping company. I'll correct my spelling there. Oop. There we go. And I'm just gonna click generate, and now the software uses AI and comes up with some. Look, transform your Vegas oasis with expert landscaping. Where desert blooms, transform your oasis in Vegas style. I like this first one, so I'm just gonna select that one and click continue. And now look, it's updated the website. AI did that for me. I didn't have to do anything. So I can go through and change any of this stuff I want. I can make these services simply by clicking them, match what the landscaping company that's paying me does. The images are very easy to change as well. You just select one, and on the right, you can see there's this little image icon here. When you click that, the software has built in lots of images that you can use. So I'm just gonna put in lawn care. Look at all these royalty-free images that I can use to build this website up. Or I can use the images that the client gives me. So super easy to customize this for the client, set it up. Once I'm done, I just click save. Once they've agreed that it all looks good, you just hit publish, and boom, they have a brand new, amazing looking website for $500, and you've got your first deal and generated your first income online. Now you can just rinse and repeat this. I would just sell a couple of these, and then once you sell a few, raise the price to 800, sell a few more, raise the price again, and just see how high you can go. We have students that have been doing this and crushing it. One who went from no clients to now she has a business that does over $10,000 a month, and it all started with this, the already done method. So that's the method, and look at this. We still have 1 minute and 40 seconds left. You can see how easy this approach is. Do not ignore it because it's easy. Give this a real shot. Again, step one, go to the link you see on your screen and sign up for your 30-day trial to the special software. Then just follow the steps I laid out in this video, and make sure when you get that first deal, you come back, you leave a comment on the video. Thanks, and I'll talk to you guys later. Stay safe, practice aloha.